Welcome to a burst of flavor baking. Today we're making the Jamaican Gizzarda with a keto flair. So we won't be using the traditional counter flour, nor will we be using sugar. Instead, we're going to be using sweetener, and we're going to be using coconut and almond flour. That being said, although we're substituting these items, the burst of flavor, the taste that we associate with the traditional Jamaican Gizzarda is still going to be packed in this little treat. And so this treat is going to be both keto friendly and diabetic friendly, but it's going to be awesome for the entire family as well. To make the Gizzarda shell, we need 1 cup of almond flour and half cup of coconut flour. To this, add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sweetener, and combine these dry ingredients. Now add 2 medium-sized eggs. And guys, always remember to take out the eye of the egg. As with most of these keto recipes, we need to use the egg as a binder, but we don't want that eggy taste, so please remember to take out the eye of the egg. Now add 8 tablespoons of butter and combine into a very crummy mix. Once you have that crummy texture to your dough, roll it into a ball, cover it with a plastic wrap, and set it in the fridge so that the flour and all the other ingredients can sort of bind together. In the meantime, let us prepare the filling. For this, we will need 2 small coconuts or 1 medium-sized coconut. Shred the coconut using either the big or the small side of the grater. You should end up with about 1.5 cups of shredded coconut. Add 1 cup of your favorite sweetener, 4 tablespoons of butter, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, a few drops of almond essence, and 4 tablespoons of water. Combine all the ingredients, making sure that the coconut pieces get thoroughly coated. Now transfer the mixture to a pot, and we're going to allow this to cook on medium heat for about 30 minutes to about 45 minutes. When the coconut mix is done cooking, we're going to allow it to cool, and we're going to turn our attention again to that pastry shell. Roll out the dough, and I like to do this between parchment paper so that it does not stick to my rolling pin. Roll it out, shape it into circles, and pinch the edges to give you that traditional look that we have in our Jamaican Gizzardas. Make sure, of course, that we punch in the middle because that is where we're going to be putting the filling. So now it's time to fill the Gizzarda shells with the coconut filling. Bake the pastries at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. You definitely won't be able to resist the temptation to just dig in and eat some right away. But guys, remember to save some for your midweek snacking. Each of these Gizzardas will give you about 3 grams of carbs, so it shouldn't spoil your day and it should satisfy that sweet tooth. So give this a try, guys. This is the Jamaican coconut Gizzarda done the keto way and also diabetic friendly. Try it and let me know how it turned out for you. And until then, walk good.